So we are ready to get underway here, and I'm going to start off in the most logical spot, and that is the InDesign welcome screen. So go ahead and launch InDesign, and you'll be greeted with this welcome screen here. Now, inside the welcome screen, we have a variety of options. As you can see, we're divided into a couple of columns here. You can see here on the left, we have Open a Recent Item. And because this is a fresh installation of InDesign, I don't have anything listed inside this Recent Item column. But as we start working along with InDesign, we'll see a list of files start to grow in this left-hand column, very much like you see in some of your other Adobe applications, right? And this offers a quick way for opening up those recent documents that you and I have been working on. Or, of course, we can click on this Open button and we can go and open a file if we wish. Okay, now over on the right-hand side, we have Create New. So we can create a brand new blank document if we wish. This is a great option if you're creating something like a business card or a postcard or maybe a short newsletter, something like this. Or we could create something called a book inside InDesign. And this is something that's quite above and beyond sort of our time here together. But essentially what a book is, well, frankly, it's a book. So we would have a system where we have multiple chapters. We have an index at the end. We have a table of contents at the beginning. We have some front matter before that. And we're going to combine or build all of this together inside an InDesign book file. Extremely powerful, but again, as I say, much more advanced. And then, of course, we can also create something called a library. So we want to create a library for reusable design elements, reusable items, right? Below that, we have the InDesign community, we have the Exchange, we have the InDesign user group, and so on. You can check out these links if you want. And, of course, we have some other handy stuff here as well, getting started, new features and resources. Now, if you want, you don't have to work with this welcome screen. In fact, you can choose Don't Show Again down in the bottom left corner. Now, I'm not a big fan of welcome screens. I want to just get into the application and go. And, of course, oftentimes I'm using keyboard shortcuts. So the application would launch and I'd hit Command-N or Control-N to create a brand new blank document, or Command-O or Control-O to go and open a file, instead of messing around with stuff inside the welcome screen. But it's entirely up to you.